Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. I work with many clients on improving their unit testing skills. Most of them come to me with the premise of we don't write unit tests at all, or we don't write enough. And that may be true. But I also explain that while unit tests have their own benefits, it may not be the thing that will make their lives better. And I'm not talking about other types of tests or automation. I'm talking about the end goal. We don't write tests for fun. Well, I do, but I'm the exception. I mean, if we could write code that actually works, without needing a test for it, but we know that it works, would we write tests? Probably not, right? The problem is, of course, we can't do that. We can't write code that just works. So we need supporting structures like code reviews and tests. So, is working code the goal? Well, yes and no. Because working code is not a one-time thing. Next time we release, if it's going to be in 2 minutes, 2 days, 2 weeks, or 2 months, we still want this thing to work. We want what worked until now to continue to work, and we want the new stuff to work as well. Lots of automation helps here, including unit tests. So, is working code over time the goal? Well, almost. What happens when your code works, but it is unreadable? It looks like a pasta-shaped mess. Every time you make changes to the code, you run the risk of breaking something. And this is where a good test suite will help you. But your output cadence will drop. Changes are going to take time because you're going to break stuff and then go fix it. And if before you got 10 features done in a 2-week period, you'll get down quickly to 5 and then maybe to even 2. The good news is if you have a good suite of tests, you can refactor your code and keep it maintainable and readable. Tests allow you to keep changing the code without the penalty of delays. And there's your goal. Working code over time without losing speed. Now, unit tests help with that. Maybe it's exactly what you need. But automated tests in general help. Clean code helps. Refactoring and design patterns help. Repeat after me. Working code over time in a constant speed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments below what do you think your goals are when you're writing tests. Until next time, see you, bye-bye.